You mess that up. Really, just make up for it with more love. You know, you just add more of that experience of love and care, and no matter what you do, it's going to be awesome. It's going to make a difference. And again, I know you've been talking about it a lot, but when Daviana was talking this morning, it occurred to me, I think it was one of the stories, that it is true that not only the love and the devotion that you can put into making a sandwich or a piece of toast even, it not only makes people feel better, and you'll find people are suddenly giggling, and you know the Shakti just has a funny way to play out. But if you're not in the right mind, if you are angry, it can actually make people sick. Literally. There's a movie, pretty old now, but it's called like Water for Chocolate. I don't know if any of you saw it.
Yeah.
But it actually demonstrates or acts out this whole same theory, which is you can literally kill someone. But we'll just stick with make people sick.
The love.
Stick with make people sick.
What are you going to
or make people more well, you know. And that whole idea of grandma's chicken soup or whatever it is, but part of it might be the chicken soup, who knows, but it's certainly the love that somebody put into the soup to help a person heal. And if you can remember that, even if, like for me, sometimes the thoughts of this go, and I just say step away. Just step away for a minute, you know, and I have to regroup and think about how important it is that I don't put any of that into the food. So in a way, it's good for the cook, good for the baker. All right, so then the other thing I wanted to say was about this basic, and I remember what I made for you all that day, which was, she kind of got it right, but it was baked yams, there's the orange. It was soba noodles.
Oh yeah.
It was, I think, a tahini gravy, if I'm not mistaken. We did have a dookie beans, that was good. They're like sweet and sour baked beans, right? That's all I can remember, spinach. But the basic, I'm going to tell the story of the cookies really quick. So when kids were really little, back in the early 70s, we ate oatmeal out of Quaker oat boxes, right? The cardboard round ones for all of you people in the U.S., right?
Red and blue and
the guy on the front, right? And they used to, in the good days, have a recipe right on the box for these cookies. I thought they were incredible, and we loved them, and they were called the Basic Best Oatmeal Cookies. And then one day, I bought the oats. Again, the recipe was gone. They had taken it off the box.
Oh, no.
Very dramatic. Right, so I call them on the phone, I write letters, I need this recipe. Another better review, I don't think. And they sent it to me in the mail, and I'm going to show it to you. But it's basically, what we're going to make is basic oatmeal cookies, and then we're going to throw a whole bunch of love, but a whole bunch of other things in there that make them somewhat nutritious. Nuts, raisins. And that's it. One of the things I started adding to that basic recipe was roasted coconut. It's easier for me to just say this now. And I asked Daviana, so how much should I have ready? And I said, what about the coconut? So we're going to roast the coconut. And I brought a timer because it's very important not to burn it. But, and the other thing we're going to look at is my version of an egg replacer cookie. I mean, egg replacer egg for the cookies. You only need one. But everybody uses egg replacer, does something to it. It's a little trick, right? They all, am I right, Ron and Jackie? That you kind of tweak it a little bit with something. Maybe not, maybe it's just me. And that's it, we could go.
Good. So everyone's in the kitchen. There's a few more of the chocolate pieces here for those who didn't get.